You may or may not be aware that YouTube has actually hidden the About page on your YouTube channel. Now you need to go to your YouTube channel to be able to find it. It used to be able to be, as soon as you clicked on your YouTube channel, you could find it in one of these tabs along here, and it was usually pretty easy to find. But of recent times, they've actually hidden it. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. But why do you need the About page? Well, the About page is important. Say, for example, somebody wants to be able to collaborate with you, or say, for example, someone wants to be able to sponsor your videos or anything like that, or if they want to be able to contact you about, say, for example, doing an affiliate deal or doing some kind of affiliate offer, or maybe even having a look at a particular product to be able to do a review on. These are really important emails that you can receive to be able to just check out what needs to be done. And sometimes people want to be able to contact you to see if you would like them to edit for you and stuff like that, usually for things to do with business. So that's the reason why you need it. So how do we actually find it? Well, quite easily. If you see your image just here, in the YouTube channel section, where your channel is, you just click on this there. You'll see you might have some writing there, and if you don't have any writing there, you'll mainly just see a little arrow. You click on that arrow, and that'll open another section up just here. And as you can see, it says About. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see it says View email address, and that's where you'll be able to find it. You can click on that, and that'll be able to show it to you. Now, I have got my email address up there because when I put it in there, I didn't realize where this was. And I've only literally just discovered it. So I thought, well, I've been looking for it for a few days. I figured, well, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find it. So you just click on that, and that's how you can find it. Now, I'm leaving that available for people to see. I don't care. I'm not going to block it out. And that's what you do. So to go over this again, to rehash what we just did, if you don't have any writing there, you'll just see a little arrow, and you click on that little arrow there. I would highly suggest you do put something in the About page if you are a YouTuber, because it'll help people to know what your channel's about, and it'll also help YouTube to know what your channel's about. And then, as I said, you just scroll down and you click on where it says email address. It is as simple as that. All right, guys. Now, if you got some value out of this video, have a smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you think about YouTube changing the page like that so you can't find it, the About page? Hey, also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.